For this look, we'll be using Holo Taco's long-lasting base coat, Holo Taco's now retired Laven-duh, Holo Taco's Shady Navy, Holo Taco's Twilight Shimmer, Twinkled T's Stamping Polish Icy, Maniology's Maniacs Me plate MXM078, and topping it off with Holo Taco's Super Glossy Taco. We'll start with a base coat for a long-lasting manicure, followed by a base color of Laven-duh. We'll be using a makeup sponge to create a gradient using Shady Navy and Laven-duh. You will probably need to apply the gradient at least 2 times for best look. Over the top of this, I'm putting Twilight Shimmer, which is also going to smooth out imperfections in the gradient. Then I'm going to use Icy to stamp snowflakes on top of all of this. Finally, I'm topping it off with the Super Glossy Taco to seal in the manicure and make it look fabulous.